Hey guys, half calf, half relax reviews. We're back with Probar Bolt Energy Chews Berry Blast. Made with superfruits, electrolytes, complex carbs, B vitamins, caffeine from yerba mate. Yerba mate is that tea from Ecuador, and it's natural stimulants, and it's healthy, and it's good, and then you get the caffeine from that. It's like, you drink it a lot over in Ecuador, and it's like tea, straw, I don't know, but it's good. I like it. It's raw. It's delicious. I drink it all the time in this cup. I forget what it's called, but anyways, I got one that my sister-in-law and brother-in-law sent me a long time ago, and I drink it all the time, and it's delicious. Anyways, so this is the only pack that actually has how many milligrams of caffeine. They got a couple flavors, but this is the only one I found that was labeled. But each one, each serving contains 20 milligrams of caffeine from yerba mate. So there's 40 milligrams of caffeine from the yerba mate. But then you got your superfoods and vitamins and stuff. So this will energize you, like it says on the package. Race, Set, Bolt. Organic chews. Step up your game right when you need it. They are packed to power you through your morning workouts to race days. They are loaded with electrolytes, B vitamins, antioxidants, and complex carbs for fast fuel-ups that last throughout the home stretch. So it has like organic stuff, tapioca syrup, organic sugar, organic tapioca syrup, pectane, citric acid, yerba mate, natural flavors, organic black carrot concentrate, fruit blend, organic apple, ackee, blueberry, and salt, organic sunflower oil, and well, okay, so 9 calories, 0 fat, complex carbs, total carbohydrates 24, 12 from sugars. Okay, and then you got all your vitamins. Vitamin C is 50% per serving, so you get 100% if you eat the whole thing. Niacin 100%, B6 100%, B12 is 100%. So quite jam-packed with vitamins, electrolytes, and all that good stuff. So let's get to it, shall we? There we go. They're like gummy bears thingies. Nice chewy gummy. Soft. Very berry. Really good. Once again, Probars did it awesome. So juicy, so delicious. Nothing bad to say about them. Yeah, they're really good. I like them. Really juicy, really fruity, really delicious. If you like gummy bears, gummy worms, whatever, with a kick, and they're vegan, vegetarian, I do believe, like usual. Gluten-free, dairy-free, GMO-free. Pretty sure it's all vegan, so there you go. Once again, Probar does it right with their energy chews. Love, love, love Probars. Go get you some. Boom, bang, pow. Winner, 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 winner. Always Probar. Energy chews. Till next time. Whoop, whoop.